Hello guys, in this video we're gonna show you how to unhide, multiple hidden columns, whatever their number is, in just one step. So let's do that, in just in the easy way, most direct way to appreciate basically the easy way, which is just one step. Let's assume we want to hide like column H and column I, column N, and columns R and S. So let's hide them. So we're gonna hide first H and I, then M and N, then R and S. Now, if we want to unhide them, we have to unhide them one by one. So we go first to this one here and unhide. This will show just one column, unfortunately, and then the other column. Then we go to this second bulge here, one column, another column, third bulge here, one column, then another column. So like 6 steps because there are 6 columns. And imagine you have like 1,000 column hidden. Okay, and that by the way can happen in your work. So what to do is basically let's hide them again, and I'm gonna show you how to do that in just one step, whatever the number is. So now we hide all of them. Okay, what you need to do basically to go to this like top left corner to this like triangle, right triangle here that just goes gray, and click on it, like left click. This will choose or like select all the Excel sheet, and then go to any hidden column, any bulge, basically this one or this one, whatever you like. Like let's go to the first one, for example, and you just right click when this equal sign appears and choose unhide. And this will show all the hidden or unhide all the hidden columns in your Excel, whatever the number is. 500, 1,000 column, 3 columns, 4 columns, whatever their number is. Okay, guys, thank you very much for watching and see you in another video. Bye-bye.